Hi everyone. So here we'll be solving one more problem, which is next greater element to right. Okay, there are many variations of it, to left, to right. We are saying here to right. Okay. So what it says for let's say you're given an array nums like this. You can say this. So for all the indexes, for all the elements, you have to find the next greater element, the nearest greater element in its right. Okay, so for 1, who is that? So for 1, who is the nearest greater element? Obviously 3. For 0, who is that? 3. For 3 is who's that? 5. For 1, it is 5. So let's calculate this. So here is the ENS array where I'll be putting the nearest greater elements to right for all the indices. For all the indices. Okay, for all the indices. Why I have put minus 1? In case you don't get the greater element for let's say here if there was some element 10. So for 10 you won't get any element and it's right who's greater. So for that already put minus 1. If I'm not getting greater though, the answer should be minus 1 for that. Okay, that is why I already pre-populated it without even starting this question. I pre-populated the array with minus 1. Now let's see. For 1, who is greater element? Obviously 3. So 0, so which means at index number 2 it is. So for 1 it is 3. So you will override it with 3. For 0 again it is 3. For 3, who is that? Not 1, 5. For 1, who is that? 5. For 5, who is that? 4 or 7? Obviously 7. For 4, who is that? 7. For 7, who is that? No one is. So minus 1 will remain as it is. Okay. So guys, see, for 3 you are having many choices. 4, 5, 4 and 7. But which one you choose? The nearest one. The nearest one. Which one you choose? The nearest one. Okay, the nearest one. While going from here to here, you choose the nearest one. Okay, and by nearest you can say latest, or you can, let's go with that a bit like bit by bit or in a easier way. Not let's jump, like we should not jump to any conclusion as such. So in brute force, what you can do, obviously for every index you will go, you have the possibility to go every to till last. For every index you have the possibility, not, I'm not saying you will go for sure, but you have the possibility to go till last. For this you have the possibility to go till last. So first of all, this would be your solution. In brute force, with the first loop it will be traversing from 0 to the size, the last index. Then for next loop, like this loop will be responsible for iterating on each element one after another, like 0th index, one index, 2 index. Then this j loop, sorry, this inner loop, the variable is j, it will start from next index and it will try to find the nearest element in its right. The nearest element in its right, who is what? Greater than. So as soon as you get this condition that nums of j is greater than nums of I, which means you got the nearest greater element. So for ans of y, what you will put? Nums of j. For ans of y, you will put nums of j, and then you will break out of the loop. So here you see, this is the brute force. And what is the complexity? I hope you can guess it. Order of n square. For every element you have the possibility to go last. Okay, this break may or may not encounter, okay, depending on this if condition. So the possibilities, you will go for order of n square. So let's analyze one of its iteration. See guys, what you are doing, you're doing n number of iterations. You were running this loop n number of times, तुम इसको n number of times चला रहे थे. Now let's see, uh, let's analyze one of its iteration and let's try to figure it out what actually we were doing. Can we reduce number of because obviously order of n square solution we are getting. So either we have to use some algorithm, or we have to like see how can we reduce the comparisons, because you have to remove the time complexity, reduce the time complexity. Now let's see the first iteration. Now let's take care of first iteration. So obviously this is array. So in brute force, in normally what you are doing, going from left to right. Okay, there is nothing like rocket science here. So let's see this one, no problem. You are not getting any clue what is this. Let's see for 0. Obviously 0 cannot be NGE of 1, and so let's keep it as it is. Now you encountered 3. Now see, 3 was coming in, 3 was coming in. Okay, so what you can see here, that for 3, who are, like, can I like do something with the remaining elements? What all I discovered till now, and with this 3 can I see something? So I can see that whatever are here, whatever are remaining in this structure, for them, like if 3 is greater, see, I can see that 3 is greater than all of them. 3 is greater than all of them. So I can say, for you, for 1 and 0, I got NGE, I got your next greater element. So for 1, I got your next greater element. For 0, I got your next greater element, which is 3. So now guys, are they really needed? Are they really needed? Go like to find NGE of other element, because obviously if you find NGE of this element, you'll go in right, you'll not go in left. and these are left to 3. These elements are left to this 3 element, this 3. So they are not needed anymore. They are not needed anymore. So here we can remove them directly. We can remove them. Okay, directly we can remove them. On what? So let's put 3, and let's first go on this solving this test case, and we'll see what all observations we are getting. So here you guys can see we can remove elements. Okay, we can remove elements. We can remove unnecessarily, like put like whatever elements are there and they are not important to us, just remove it na yaar. Because if they are in array, if they are in data structure, you may have to compare them with others, and that will increase this complexity order of n square. But if you're getting choice to remove, just remove them, nikalo ne bahar nikalo. Go with 3. Okay, so for like for 1 and 2, for sorry for 1 and 0 you got 3. Okay, let me use green pen and I'll write what I got till now. So, now for 3, you put 3. So now let's move forward, and you got 1. So you got 1 here. So you don't have, you're not getting any clue for 1 what you can do. No, I can't do anything. I can't do anything for 1. Why you can't do anything for 1? Because and 1 is not NGE of 3, 3, and obviously 3 is left to 1, so 3 cannot be NGE of 1, because for NGE you want what, like 3 could have been NGE of 1, but in what case if 3 was to right of it? Here it is in left. So let's leave it. Now let's go ahead. 1, you are getting 5. Now see guys, when 5 was coming, now see, when 5 was coming, so what you can see, all the lesser elements than 5, for them 5 would be their NGE. 5 is their master. Who are lesser elements? 3 and 1. So let's write. For 3 the NGE is 5, for 1 the NGE is 5. Okay, next greater element to its right is 5. So now what I see, listen guys, this is where this thing will be helpful to you. Now, because if you have not removed 1 and 0 from your structure, if you have not removed 1 and 0, then these 1 and 0 are also lesser than 5. Then you will also, then you because look, you are writing a code, correct? You are writing a code, it will do whatever you write. So if you're not removing it, so 1 and 0 are also lesser than 5. So first the loop, the first problem is, the first pain point is that 1 and 0, for them you will override their NGE from 3 to 5, because 1 and 0 they are also NGE. Like, if 3 was not their NGE, then 5 would be. Okay, so and because for 1 and 0 5 is also greater. So the first thing is you removed them, so you're avoiding the unnecessary comparison. Okay, if they're not here, then comparison is not needed. So you'll not check that whether their NGE is already calculated or not. Do I need to calculate their NGE right now? No, you got their NGE, you removed them. So 5 will not see these two elements. 5 will not see these two elements anyhow. Okay, 5 will not see these two elements. That can I be their NGE? No, you cannot, because they already got their NGE and they are removed here. They're not here. They're removed from here. In that way, 5 will also say 3 and 1 निकल दो यहाँ से पहली फुर्सत में. Like go and leave this room, go and leave this space. So 3 and 5, 3 and 1 are also done. You found their NGE. Now put 5. Look guys, I'm not like inducing my thought process to you. It's just we are seeing, right? We are seeing one of its iteration, the initial iteration, that what is actually being like happening in this. Can we reduce something? We are getting the hints. We are getting actually the hints. We can reduce things. Okay, we are getting the hints. So now let's see. After 5, what is coming? 4 is coming. 4 is coming. Okay, no problem, because 4 cannot be NGE of 5, and I'm not able to see whatever I can do. I can't do anything. Now 7 was coming. So 7 is actually greater than 4 and 5. So 7 will obviously remove 4 and remove 5 and say that for you, I am done finding NGE. So you may leave this room. निकल लो तुम भी पहली फुर्सत से, ठीक है, अपने बाहुबली स्टाइल में. So for 5 and 4, you will say that 7 is my master. Okay, so and he said to like leave the room, then I'll leave the room. Leave the room, and then only 7 is remaining. Okay, now let's increase the test case. Now let's increase the size of this test case, and just see. You get 5. You get what? You get 4. Then you get what? You get 5. Again you get 5. Let's increase the number of test cases to this, because I'm really getting like excited on solving this problem. So let's increase the test case. Look guys, whenever I get clues, I don't like I'll increase the test cases. Yeah, it's normal. I'm trying to record a video, and it's more importantly it's for me. Okay, मेरे को मजा आता है इसलिए कर रहा हूँ. तो चलो आगे आगे देख लेते हैं कुछ और. So now let's put 5 here. Okay, 5 here, because 7 was, everything is empty, only 7 is remaining. Now let's put 5 here. Oh, I put 5, no problem. I'm not getting NGE thing for 7. 5 is not NGE, or for 5 7 is not NGE. I know that because NGE should be right of it. So 7 is not NGE of 5. It could have been if it is in right of 5. Now let's put 4 here. Okay. Again, I'm not getting some anything here. No problem. Now it comes 5. Now comes 5. When 5 was coming, it was seeing what? It was seeing that can I remove any of these elements? I can say that I am your master. I am your NGE. Can I do that? I can do for 5, for 4 I can do. And see guys, here the thing is, look, you already are getting the hint that I will remove I'll pop the top elements. I'll pop the top elements. Push, sorry, I'll pop some elements. So here you are getting the hint, but you're not getting from which direction, from last or from like from top or from bottom. You're not getting this. You have no conclusive proof till now that look, we are popping elements, we are removing unnecessary elements, but from which direction? You're not getting that idea, correct? लो गाइस, मैं तुक्का नहीं मार सकता हूँ, ठीक है? मैं एक चीज़ आधी नहीं बोल सकता हूँ कि यार तुम यहाँ से रिमूव कर दो। यहाँ तक आई नेवर गिव यू द कंक्लूसिव एविडेंस दैट फ्रॉम विच डायरेक्शन यू हैव टू पॉप, फ्रॉम विच डायरेक्शन यू हैव टू रिमूव, टॉप और बॉटम। Okay, from in this example, you'll get the clearance of it. Okay, clarity of it. Well, let's see when 5 was coming. So yeah, from which direction you will, because 4 is, you can directly see from naked eyes 4 is smaller. So from which direction you will actually start like iterating one after another from here, which will reduce the complexity. Look, obviously guys, 7 is greater than 5, because if you see the nature of this, it is a kind of monotonic structure, and in descending sorted order, in descending sorted. Okay, so 5 7 is greater than 5, 5 is greater than equals to 5, so these two are not smaller. 4 is smaller, so you are doing 3 checks here, you are doing 3 checks here to actually reach till 4, the smaller element. But and these are greater, you know that these are greater element. So what I say, if, because what I'm seeing right now, that can 5 be someone's NGE? If it can, then remove that element there, that element is not needed. So see this 5, if I say that this 5 will start from the last element that you got till now, 4. So 5 is greater than 4, so you will say for 4, I am your master, 5 is your master, remove this space, remove this space. Now see, 5 is actually not greater than 5, 5 is not 5, this 5 is not greater than 5, so you will not go beyond it, because this is in descending sorted. You can see the this structure, this is in descending sorted. So once this element is not smaller than 5, so obviously the left element will also not be smaller than right, so you'll not go to 7. So previously, if you're going from bottom, if you're going from here left to right, what you were doing 3 comparisons, you're doing total 3 comparisons. But if you chose to go from last element that you got, last element, which means top to bottom, if you're, let's say, going from, let's call it top, let's call it bottom, if you're going from top to bottom, you did how many comparisons? 4 you removed, then you checked to 5, 5 is not lesser than 5, 5 is not lesser than 5, you stopped right here. Why? Because in its left, all the elements, they will be either like greater than or equal to 5, they'll not be lesser than 5 anymore, because it is descending. So from going top to bottom, you are getting only 2 comparisons, but from going this left to right or bottom to top, you are getting 3 comparisons. So which one is preferable, guys? Obviously lesser comparisons. So from here you are getting the idea that the new incoming element, it will pop what if it has to pop, it will pop the last element, it will pop the last element. Okay, it will pop the last elements. So from here, I guess you got the idea. Now I'll not create the suspense that what sort of data structure is it. Now let's just uh, like write it down. Okay, from the first, look guys, from the first iteration itself, we saw that actually we can get our answer in one traversal. We don't need all this as unnecessary, because they were required, like the time complexity was increasing because of unnecessary checks, because these elements were sitting इतने ढीठ थे कि बैठे के बैठे थे, array में निकल नहीं रहे थे. So we decided that we need some new data, like we can go with some data structure where we can actually remove them, because if they are removed, they won't be compared. If the number of comparisons are avoided, the time complexity will obviously be reduced. Now see what all things we want. The incoming element, it can remove, it has to remove, it can remove top elements. Okay, and so incoming element, it is interested in last element, last entered element, so which means LIFO order we want, last and first out. Because look, incoming element will see, layer 5 was seeing that whom I can remove, whom I can say I am your NG, get out of this space. Obviously the last elements from 4, if 5 was it, then 5, then 7. Okay, as soon as you encountered 4, then you encountered 5. 5 is what? Is not, is lesser, so you'll stop right here, you'll not go here. Okay, so the incoming element is actually interested in what? If it has to remove, because it is interested in removing everything. ये बहुत ढीठ आदमी, इसको सबको हटा देना है, बट किसको हटा पाएगा? लास्ट एलिमेंट्स को, लास्ट entered elements. So you want a data structure with a leaf-4 property, and you have to pop the top. Simple as that. You have to pop the top. So which data structure is the best thing here? Obviously, what? Stack, as you guessed it, right? So it has been 15 minutes in the video. I never told to go for stack. Now onwards, stack is the thing we will go for. Okay, so let's use a stack. Let's use a stack. 103157. 103157 is a user stack. Now let's directly jump. I'll not keep this video lengthy. I'm increase the speed here right now, because now you are clear that stack is used. Okay, so 1 you put here, then you got 0 0 0 0 0 0 can be ng, no 0 can't be ng, 1 can't be ng of 0, 0 can't be ng of 1. Let's keep them as it is. 3 you got 3 right now, 3 can be the both nge, so for them 3 is ng, put 3 here. For 1, okay, 1 is not ng because 1, if it was 4, then it could have been ng of 3, 3 could have been ng of 1, but in what condition? 3 should come right, but 3 coming left, so 1 and 3 I'm not getting anything here, I'm stuck. Let's go ahead. Hey, what is this here? 4, सॉरी, ऐसी इतनी अच्छी, ये क्या है यार, क्या ही राइटिंग लिखा हुआ मैंने? 1031 इतनी अच्छी राइटिंग होती है भाई मेरी. सो 1 3, देन आई गॉट 5. ओके, 5 कैन बी everyone's ng, remove them. 5 and 5, put 5. 7 can be the NGE of 5. 7 can be NGE of 5. Remove 5, so 5 is like NGE of this. Now for 7, now for 4, you put 4 here, right? So okay, 4 is like known as NGE of 4. So guys, what you saw here, that we were using stack here right now. We are using stack here, but see guys, the problem is you cannot write values here, because what I said, for 1 who is NGE 3, for 1 who is NGE 3, for the value 1 who is NGE 3. But here if you see, for the this one, the NGE is 5. Next greater element to its right is 5. So if you're saying that I'll put NGE for 1 as 3 earlier, then I put NGE for 1 as 5, then you can't go with values. Correct, you can't go with values, but indexes are different. Indexes are unique. Okay, values can be same, indexes. So actually here the stack, in the stack, will not put in values, because if I'm putting indexes, I can actually access the values. So let's see how can I go with that. So 0 is it. Okay, first index is 0, so which is one value. So nums of ans of whatever it is, nums of 0 is 1. So you got the first index. So first index is also, we are not getting anything. You got the second index, which is 3, is greater than 0 and 1. Second index is actually greater than 2 and 1 index, 0 and 1. So it will remove them. So you got the answer here. So for them, the answer is the second index, which is 3. So in that way, we'll put indexes here. Okay, not the values, because you see, for 1, there can be multiple NGs. For 1 here, the NG was 3. For this one, NG was 5. Now let's try to write this solution for it. For I assign 0, I lesser than n, I plus plus. Obviously, guys, there will be an array ANS, which is pre-populated with what? -1, in case we are not getting the NGEs. So what I say, while first see your stack, because the new incoming element, it will see, can I remove something? Okay, if I can remove them, I'll say I'm your NGs, get lost from this space. But for that, I'll check if my stack is non-empty, and what, look, nums of, because stack.top, it will give you what? Index, nums of top, this index, this value, if it is lesser than what? If it is lesser than the incoming, which is the incoming, and nums of I, what I'll do, I'll just st.pop, remove from here. And before removing, sorry, there will be one thing here. So ans of st.top, so which means for this index, who is your NGE? Nums of I is your NGE. That's it. So this thing actually will come after this. So at this point, you will write this, then you will do st.top. So this will come in while loop. Once you are done with this while loop, so it says the nums of I will say that I'm done removing elements that I can remove, and or the NGE for all of them, I have removed them. But now you have to push me, because you have to find NGE for me. So what you will do, st.push, and what you have to push? You have to push value or number, because you saw for 1 there can be NGE 3, for 1 here NGE was 5, so you have to push index, st.push I. सो दैट इज इट गाइस, आई होप यू लाइक द वीडियो, डू लेट मी नो इन कमेंट्स यू आर गेटिंग दिस थिंग और नॉट यार, और बताओ मजा आ रहा है कि नहीं। कुछ नहीं ऐसा बताऊंगा कि भाई रट लो या फिर ये कर लो या फिर वो ट्रिक टिप्स एंड ट्रिक्स, नथिंग। तुम्हें बस ये हिंट देखना है कि भैया इसमें भी तो यार मुझे क्या चाहिए, लास्ट वाला एलिमेंट में इंपॉर्टेंस है, तो लीफो और टॉप, लीफो टॉप पॉप ये सब कुछ, तो स्टैक इज द वे। लेट मी नो इन कमेंट्स गाइस। चलो मिलते